Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to change the language you use for the Capcut application by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing that you have to do is just go open your Capcut application. Hold on, wait until the Capcut is totally open. And here is the loop whenever you are open the Capcut. And now to change the language, make sure that you are stay in the edit section. There will be like 4 sections: edit, templates, inbox, and me. But then if you want to change the language, stay in the edit section. And whenever you are stay in the edit section, you will see that on the top right corner there will be 2 icons right there. So you just need to choose the top right part or icon here. And right in the top of the options, you will see an app language. So if you want to change them, you just need to go click this site. Now you just need to choose what language that you want to use. So let's say you want to use the Korean, you just need to go click this Hangulgo and go click done. And wait until everything's on the Capcut here is changed. So you'll see there is like a Apono, means that this is also the language of the application. If you want to change them back, you just need to go click the same site and just choose the language that you want to use and go click done. So that's the way, guys, how to change the language of the Capcut application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.